Welcome to this meditation. My name is Ronak, and today we are going to work on happiness meditation. Happiness is something which we all are seeking. Whatever we do, we are constantly looking for happiness, peace, love, and joy. I hope you find happiness post this meditation and it brings a beautiful smile on your face. This meditation is taken from a mindfulness practice which I have been doing for last 10 years. You can sit with your spine straight, shoulders relaxed, palms resting on the thighs facing upwards, keeping your chin slightly tucked in and jaw slightly open. Now, very slowly and steadily close your eyes and take a long deep inhalation now and a very gentle exhalation. Inhale and appreciate whatever you have received with this breath, and exhale and relax your body. Inhale and bring in gratitude, saying thank you for you to be present during this meditation, and exhale and let go of the tension in the body or in the mind. Relaxing your arms, your legs, your spine, your face. Allow your entire body to relax with every breath you take. Slowly breathe in and gently exhale. Breathing in gently and consciously exhale. Now, with the intention of creating gratitude, offer yourself these beautiful affirmations of joy. Keep the memory in your mind of all the happy moments and repeat in your mind, may my happiness continue. May my happiness grow. May I be present for joy. May I appreciate all the joy in my life. Take a long deep inhalation and visualize the top 3 beautiful happy moments today, from yesterday, from past few months which you have experienced personally. Visualize every detail and bring a beautiful smile on your face. Take a long deep breath in and very slow and steady exhalation now. Breathing in consciously, holding that smile, and exhale slow and steady. Now, keeping your sharp awareness back to your physical body, bring your awareness back to this body and softly inhale and move your toes, feeling a deep sense of gratitude, moving your fingers, rubbing your palms together. Cup your palms on your face and move them around your body and say a beautiful namaste to yourself to this meditation. I hope you guys enjoyed today's meditation. If you like this meditation, please do not forget to share this with your friends and family. My name is Ronak Gajjar. I'm your meditation coach. God bless. Namaste.